Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit limits on Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do is to log into the Atlas account. You can log in on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or we can log in on the Atlas mobile app on our mobile device. Now once you log into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a credit limit change alerts for. Just go ahead and select that account from the account dashboard, and then we're going to click on account alerts, and then just select the credit limit change alerts option. And then we're going to review and customize the alert settings, such as the alert threshold and the notification preferences. Go ahead and customize that, and then confirm the account alert settings and review the alert preferences one more time, just to make sure that there's no mistakes and everything is accurate. And once that's done, we're going to be receiving credit limit change alerts on your credit card accounts, and you can always review the updated account information on Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit limits on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.